What's up, y'all? I wanted to do a quick little video on a project that I've been trying to do with my G8 since I bought it, and that's to change my tail lights. Had the car, I want to say, like almost 2 months, and this was one of the mods, if you want to call it a mod, that I wanted to always change. When I got the car, it had like a little crack in it. It's kind of messed up, and honestly, I ain't even like those lights. I just think it looks outdated. So I just wanted to get something a little more modern. So what I did is I started going on Instagram when I bought it about 2 months ago. And I started looking at other people's builds and, you know, other things that people was doing with their G8. And one of the lights that I seen was from, I think the brand is Spyder. And it gave it more of a modern look. So what I'm gonna do today is just kind of give y'all a little play-by-play of how you install it, and hopefully it just give the car a better look. All right, y'all, so boom, this the lights. So as you can see, they kind of look a little more modernized with the white beam on them. They just don't look as outdated as the ones that's already on them. You know, when I started looking on Instagram and social media, this was the ones that kind of like stuck out to me the most. So, yeah, this is the ones that we're about to install. Just kind of give y'all a step-by-step of how I install them. Kind of looks pretty easy. Just three little connectors. I'm assuming these three I have to come off on the existing ones, take them off, that comes back on. So, I mean, to me, it seems pretty straightforward. Kind of like mechanically inclined, you should be able to install it yourself. So, I'm about to get to it. All right, so as you can see, I kind of have the back open. What I first start to do is I'm gonna take loose the battery, pull that all up. From what I see, to get them out, let's see if I can get this pretty much like this. This pulls off. From what I see, you have this one, and this one. After those three come off, you should be able to pull out, along with the necessary unplugging of the wires. So, like I said, it shouldn't be that hard. All right, y'all. So as you can see, I got the battery off, battery terminals off. So now, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start taking off these three screws. So you have one right here. Right there in the back, and further on this side. So you have two right here in the back, and you have one that's closer to the front. So I'm about to take those off. All right, y'all, so everything is pulled off, screws unscrewed. So now, truthfully, it should just pull right off. So let's see. Let me try to mount this camera. Let's see. Like that. So pretty much straightforward. Like I said, all you had was these three screws. You had these little connectors. It's just so ugly. I hate how this looks. And then it was cracked, so they ain't even making no better. All right, y'all, so what I like to do is, since I got it open and all, just like to spray, kind of clean it around it. Like I said, I just got the car, I want to say like about 2 months ago. So I haven't really did any like major modifications to it yet. So every time I do something, I just try to like clean it up, try to make it look somewhat decent. I mean, I don't know when the last time it's been messed with. I mean, obviously I don't think that's factory tail lights, but it probably is. So just try to like keep it clean and, you know, try to get it the best looking I could. So now it's time to put the new light in. Let's see how it look. All right, y'all, so this is the finished product. It look a lot more cleaner. It look better. It just like an overall better light. It look better at night from far away. It even has this little sequential turn signal. Let me turn. So that's pretty neat. But yeah, man, I just want to just show y'all how it look. I'm gonna be doing a little bit more projects like this where they want more parts and stuff come. Plan on putting some exhaust on it. I think I'm gonna wrap it a different color. New wheels. I can't stand them. And overall, just, you know, make it mine. It already has the wicker bill, but I think I'm gonna take the wicker bill off. I don't really like that one. I want more of a subtle spoiler, so take that off. But yeah, man, I just wanted to just show y'all. I was excited about it. It was one of the more better mods to me that I wanted to get done to my car, and I did it. So until next time, y'all, signing out.